Hello everyone, this is Pritika Patel working as an assistant professor in Computer Engineering Department of Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Today in this session, we are going to discuss about doubly linked list, which is the topic of subject data structure of second year third semester. Now coming to the point, doubly linked list. In doubly linked list, typical node contain LPTR, info and RPTR. That means each node of doubly linked list contain data and two pointer to point previous and next node. Right? This is for previous and this is for next node. So typical node of doubly linked list contain info, LPTR and RPTR field. LPTR is pointer variable pointing to predecessor of node and RPTR is a pointer variable pointing to successor of a node. Leftmost node of doubly linked list is called L. LPTR of node L is always null because this is the leftmost element and leftmost element is having no predecessor. Right? So this L is always null. And rightmost node of the doubly linked list is called R. This is the rightmost element of doubly linked list. So RPTR of node R is always null because there have no successor node. Now insert node in doubly linked list. Insertion in the middle of doubly linked list. So this is the doubly linked list. This is leftmost element and this is the rightmost element. In leftmost element LPTR is always null and in rightmost element RPTR is always null. So this is the position before insertion of node in linked list. Now new node is inserted in middle of doubly linked list. So now we have to insert this node in this list. For this, after insertion, what will happen? LPTR of new, right? So this is the new and this is the LPTR, that means left pointer of new and this is the right pointer of new. So we have to put this new node in this position. So LPTR of M, so left pointer of M is assigned to LPTR of new. So this is the left pointer of M that is assigned to left pointer of new. So now left pointer of new is become this. Now M is assigned to RPTR of new. So right pointer of new is now become this, right? Then new is assigned to left pointer of M because each and every node have left and right two pointer. So new is assigned to left pointer of M. New is assigned to right pointer of left pointer of new. So this is the right pointer of left pointer of new and this is assigned to new. So this way we can insert new node in middle of doubly linked list. Now leftmost insertion in doubly linked list. So now we have to insert node in leftmost position. So initially this is the leftmost element, leftmost node and this is the rightmost node, right? So this is the position before insertion of new node. Now after insertion of new node, now this is the leftmost element of this doubly linked list and we have to insert new node in this side. So this is a new node and it having three field. There is a left pointer, info and right pointer, right? So now null is assigned to left pointer of new. This is the new and left pointer of new is now become null because it is inserted in leftmost position. Then right pointer of new is equal to M. This is the right pointer of new, that is equal to M, right? Then LPTR of M. This is the left pointer of M, that is now become new, right? Because now this is not a leftmost element, because we are inserting element in leftmost position. Then new is become L. So node new is the leftmost element in this list. So this way we can insert leftmost node in doubly linked list. Now algorithm to insert node in doubly linked list. This algorithm insert a new node in doubly linked list. The insertion is to be performed to the left of specific node with its address given by the pointer variable m. Typical node of doubly linked list contain following field lptr, rptr and info. lptr is pointer variable pointing to predecessor of node. rptr is pointer variable pointing to successor of node. L and R are pointer variable pointing for leftmost and rightmost node of linked list. New is the address of new node and X is a value to be inserted. Now algorithm is step 1, create new empty node. For this, node is assigned to new, that means from node we have create new empty node. Step number 2, copy information field. So X is assigned to info of new. Then next step number 3, that is insert into a empty list. If R is equal to null, that is rightmost element is equal to null, then LPTR of new is equal to null and RPTR of new is equal to null. That means left and right pointer both are null, right? So this new become leftmost as well as rightmost element of this list. Step number 4 is it leftmost insertion? For this, if m is equal to L, that means m is a pointer. Based on this address, we have to insert the new node. So this m is equal to L. Then left pointer of new is equal to null, right pointer of new is equal to m, and L PTR of m, that means left pointer of m is equal to new, and new become L, that is the new become leftmost element. Step number 5, insert in middle. For this, LPTR of new is equal to LPTR of m, that means left pointer of new is now become left pointer of m. Then left pointer of new is equal to m. So right pointer of new is now become m. Then left pointer of m is now become new, and right pointer of left pointer of new, that is become new. So this is the algorithm to insert a node in specific position, that is leftmost or middle. Now next algorithm is delete node from doubly linked list. This algorithm delete the node whose address is contained in the variable old. Typical node of doubly linked list contain following field left pointer, right pointer and info. Left pointer is pointer variable pointing to predecessor of node. Right pointer is a pointer variable pointing to successor of a node. L and R are pointer variable pointing for leftmost and rightmost node of linked list. Next is delete from doubly linked list. For this is the old, that means which variable having old, we have to delete this node. Here left and right both are null, and this is old variable, so we have to delete this value 10 and free this value from this node. So left and right both become null. Now suppose this is the doubly linked list and leftmost element is this and rightmost element is this. Now suppose this is old, that means we have to delete this leftmost node. For this, right pointer of L is assigned to L, that means right pointer of L is assigned to L. We have to delete this old, so we have to assign this node as the leftmost node. So this right pointer of L is now become L, and left pointer of is L, null, because this is leftmost element of this doubly linked list, so we have to assign this as a null. Now suppose this is the old and we have to delete this. For this, R is now become left pointer of R, right? So this is the R, or we can say that rightmost element of linked list. So same way left pointer of R is assigned to null, so this is become null because we have to delete this node and we have to free this space of node. Now suppose this is old and we have to delete this node, then what will do? Right pointer of left pointer of old is assigned to right pointer of old, right? And left pointer of right pointer of old is assigned to left pointer of old. That means it is assigned to, right? And we have to delete this old, right? This way we can delete node from doubly linked list. Now this is the algorithm to delete node from doubly linked list. First step is underflow. If R is equal to null, then write underflow and return. Second step, delete node. If L is equal to R, that means leftmost is equal to rightmost, right? That means single node is list, because we know that L and R is equal to same. That means this doubly linked list have only one node. Then left and right both become null. Else, if old is equal to L, that means leftmost node, then L is equal to right pointer of L and L ptr of L is equal to null. Else, if old is equal to R, that is rightmost element, then R is equal to left pointer of R and right pointer of R is equal to null, because this is the rightmost element. So R pointer is null. Else RPTR of LPTR of node old is right pointer of old and left pointer of right pointer of old is left pointer of old. Next step is free deleted node. So we have to free old because old is a variable which we have to delete. Old is a variable which having whatever the address, this address we have to free by using free function. So this way we can delete node from doubly linked list. Thank you.